Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily compress a PDF file size both offline and online without losing quality. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the online method. For this, we'll use a free tool called Small PDF. Once you're here, select Compress PDF. Now click Choose Files and upload your PDF. After the upload, choose the basic compression option, then just hit compress and download your reduced size PDF. That's it. Now let's talk about how to do it offline, which is super useful if you don't have internet access. Open your PDF with Adobe Acrobat DC. Go to File, then Save as Other and select Reduced Size PDF. Choose the version compatibility and click OK. Save the file and your PDF will be compressed. There you go. Simple steps to compress PDF files online and offline. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments.